Hi there. Today in this video I will show you how we apply a decoration in a frame look like circle as you see in this example. First we need a circle. Split that circle on any number you want. Take just one space as you see here and start your work and flip it and take a look. If you like it, finish your work. After that, group all this unit and go to Window, Docker, and Transform. We will use Rotate. And how many copy we have? Here we have 6 copy, so we need just 5. And how I get this correct number, I will show you that by using this tool, Angular Dimension tool, and click and hold and use this number. So we have this number. Okay, 5 copy. After that, I need to move this on this center like this and apply, and here we have this beautiful frame. Thank you and see you in the next video.